Please start the class, sir.
Yes, yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, here we were writing, angle BABE equals to angle BCG. Thus, but angle ABE and angle BCG is a pair of corresponding angles formed by the transversal.
Ray,
Which is the transversal here? Tell me.
sir, AD.
AD,
Yes.
AD.
AD between the lines or between the
Rays.
PQ, sir.
rays B
E and CG.
and CG. So, therefore, from 2, angle ABE equals to angle BCG. Now, if angle ABE equals to angle BCG, I am writing in
Converse
another
angles
okay,
axiom.
angle ABE equals to angle BCG by converse of corresponding angles axiom. Ray BE is parallel to ray CG. Okay, that corresponding angles axiom only converse says if corresponding angles are equal, the lines are parallel.
Lines are parallel, sir.
So this is how the to be proved we have done. Where is the to be proved? Yeah, we have done this to be proved. Okay, this is how we go for. Then moving on to the question number 6. Question number 6. What is the to be done? Tell what is to be done in the figure 6.27. AB parallel to
Sir, finding value of X, Y, Z, sir.
AB parallel to CD. CD parallel to
Sir, then 45, sir. Value of Z is equals to 45, sir.
okay. So BEF 55 degrees पता है. So automatically this it becomes
45, sir.
45. No, sir, 35.
Huh?
35, sir.
Why
35, sir.
Sir, 90 minus 55 is 35. Complementary angles.
Sir, 135 will come, sir. Y will be.
Okay. आराम से.
Sir, I am telling about Z, sir, not Y.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So,
X and Y is
this is
135, sir.
90 degrees. They gave this is 55. And automatically this AE is perpendicular to EF also. Okay. First of all, AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to
Yes.
EF. Therefore, AB parallel to EF. The moment AB parallel to EF comes, Thus, AE is perpendicular to AB and AE is perpendicular to EF also, because AB parallel to F. Okay, AE is perpendicular to EF. This will come. If EF, AB, AE are perpendicular to each other, then angle Z plus 55 degrees should be equals to 90 degrees. So Z equals to
35 degrees.
30 degrees. That's how Z becomes.
Y is equals to 135, sir.
If Z is 35, okay, this angle should be 55 degrees. Okay, that is one way. Other way, angle ABE is equals to angle FEB, because they both are alternate interior angles. From this only I can say, correct now?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
so
You use ABE triangle, that way you find angle Z, or angle ABE is equals to angle FEB.
yes,
Because alternate interior angles drawn between two parallels. So if this is 55,
Then
this is 55. If this is 55, x must be 125. If x is 125, then y must be
125.
because they both are.
Corresponding angles.
That's it. Understood? So you know how
Yes,
to
sir.
find Z. Okay. You know how to find this two angles. Yeah. Moving on to the question number. See, exercise 6.2. Quickly I'll tell answers. I'll not go for any sort of discussions much.
then Y is equals to
X is 135.
X is equals to 137.
130.
Yes. Here it is
Y is equals to
130 degrees.
137.
Y is also equals to
Sir, X of
137.
Y also 130, sir.
Yes. Vertical opposite.
Vertically opposite angle.
Yes. You know how to write? Write it. But here, show that AB parallel to CD, sir. After finding values.
Sir, we should
Sir,
find
sir,
linear of angle Y, sir, which is 30
angles
degrees.
are equal, sir.
Converse, 130, 130. Vertical opposite and linear pair, both you use x equals to
Yes,
y.
sir.
Angle x equals to angle y. Use
AB
converse.
parallel to series.
Yes, converse of alternate interior angle theorem. Theorem it is. Okay, prove that. It's a theorem.
Therefore, the lines are parallel, sir.
Yes, AB parallel to CD. You have to prove that. Okay. Then, in question number 2, if AB parallel to CD, they gave. CD parallel to EF, they gave. Therefore, AB parallel to EF. Okay. Then, tell me.
Sir, X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees, sir. Sir, X.
Yeah.
Sir, angle X is equal to 54 degrees. No, sir, angle X is 126 degrees.
Sir, angle
Angle?
Y is 54 degrees, sir.
Plus,
Yeah,
Z
I'm not
plus
able to
Y
see the question
180.
here. This is covering. Which is covering? This one is covering. Okay, Y and Z are in a ratio. Okay, Y is 3 parts. Y is 3 parts. Z is 7 parts. Here, if it is Y, then this must be 3 parts. So 7, 10 parts. equals to 180 degrees. So one part equals to 18 degrees.
Sir, you're not audible.
I'm not audible, huh?
Audible, sir.
Audible, sir.
Not audible.
Yeah.
You
Now
will
it's
not speak,
audible.
sir. That's it.
Vinayak, I'm not audible, huh?
So before you're not audible. Sir.
You are audible, sir. You will not
Yes.
speak, so sir. I think you are not audible, sir.
Okay. Now, here, one part is 18 degrees. Three parts, opposite, vertical opposite. This is three parts. Okay. It is also y plus z is 180 degrees. Therefore, one part equals to 18 degrees. That means y equals to 3 times of 180 is 54. Correct? Z equals to
Yes, sir. 54 minus 180, sir.
126.
26 degrees.
6, sir.
X equals to
Value of x.
obviously 126 degrees.
6 degrees.
So z is equal, x is equals to z, sir. So 126 degrees will come.
Yeah, correct. You know how to do it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Moving on to the question number 3. Question number 3. If AB parallel to CD. EF perpendicular to CD and angle GED. Angle GED. 126 degrees. GED. This is 90. And then GED is 126. Obviously, it is 36 degrees. Correct?
Sir, 36.
Yeah. Find
Sir, and
AGE.
GF is 90 degrees, sir.
See, whatever it is 126, this is 126. AGE is 126. GEF, already we found it is 36 degrees. FGE, 90. Then how much it is?
Sir, angle GE is
Yeah.
54.
Okay. It is also
54, sir.
54 degrees. Okay. You know how to do this. Working steps you can write. Okay. Then moving on to the question number 4. Very important question.
Sir, we should extend, sir.
Yes. What is to be extended?
Sir, ray QP to be extended backwards and ray ST. Sir, ray QP and ray ST.
This way you wanted to extend. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then.
Sir,
What do you do?
RS also to be extended, sir.
Hmm?
RS, sir, from that side.
No, sir. We
RQ
should extend point R, sir. From there, we should extend downside.
Is it this way?
No, sir. Towards point T, sir. Towards the right.
Is this a?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Angle QRS.
Sir, according to corresponding angle formula, sir, this
PQ
here.
parallel to ST. Angle PQR 110. Angle RST 130. Find QRS. This is what we have to find. Okay. See,
Sir, if you draw straight line from P, Q and backwards, sir, then
draw
Two
line
degrees.
parallel to ST through point R like this. This is the one which you have to do. Draw a line parallel to ST through point R is the very important thing. Why? Because this becomes 70 degrees because line what you have drawn L is parallel to ST implies parallel to PQ also. And 110, 70 co-interangles. This becomes 50 degrees because it is again co-interior angles.
Yes, sir. So it should become 60 degrees, sir.
60
Yeah.
degrees.
No,
60 degrees, sir.
60 degrees. Understood? So this is the simplest thing what you can do it. Drawing a line parallel to ST passing through R. Okay, this is very, very simple and very easy way of doing it. Okay, important question, children. Any doubt? Is this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next. Next question. Question number 5. If AB parallel to CD, angle APQ 50 degrees, angle PRB 127 degrees. Find XY. How will you do it?
Sir, X is 50 degree.
Why?
Sir, 50 plus y is equal to 127 degrees.
Very good.
Alternate
First,
interior angles.
see.
Sir, 80.
This 50, this is 6. Also 50. Good. Now, if you think like this here, if this is 127, then this total is 127. So y 50 plus y equals to 127 degrees. So y equals to 70,
Sir, 77.
77, huh? Correct na?
Yes, sir.
77 degrees. So x equals to 50 degrees, you know reason, and y equals to 77 degrees, you know reason. Then question number 6. Very important question, children. Mirrors question. Tell me. In figure, PQ parallel to RS. Both are mirrors. An incident ray AB strikes mirror PQ at point B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC, hits at the point C of the mirror RS. Then again it reflects back along the path CD. Now prove that AB parallel to CD. How will you do?
Sir, given sir PQ is parallel to RS.
Very good. First we'll write given PQ parallel to RS. Then
Sir, we will take AB as a transversal.
okay, AB as transversal, correct. To be proved is AB parallel to CD.
CD.
CD, sir.
Then tell me. If AB is taken transversal, then what is the use?
Sir, we should take BC as transversal.
Best is to take first BC as the transversal. Okay, take. Then what is the use? Correspond, I mean alternate interior angles equal. Then और क्या फायदा है?
Sir, angle ABC is equal to angle BCD, sir.
ABC equals to angle BCD.
BCD.
क्यों नहीं होगा? Wrong.
Sir, angle PQC is equals to SCB, sir.
Angle
PCR, sir. So, sir, PBC, sir,
Okay.
is equal to
Okay.
angle
Sir, we
SPB, sir.
should extend ray AB, sir.
Okay. They both are equal. Then.
Sir, extend sir ray AB and ray CD, sir.
Okay.
And CD, sir.
Okay. Then.
Sir, angle ABC is equal to angle BCD, sir.
क्यों क्यों होगा?
Sir,
Sir,
they are
corresponding
corresponding angles.
no,
ए
sir.
बी सी होगा क्या? नहीं होगा.
Sir, half of angle PCB,
B
PBC, sir.
C D. ये दोनों angles, corresponding angles are what you are trying to tell, but we don't know AB is parallel to CD or not. Yet to prove, na?
Sir, that angle of incidence and angle of reflection is same, sir.
No.
Sir, angle of incidence and angle of reflection is same, sir. By that we can prove that
No, not
this
same.
and this.
They are not same. Angle of incidence is AB, angle of reflection is BC in one way. In another direction, angle of incidence is BC and angle of reflection is CD.
Sir,
Half
then
of
if AB is equal to
PBC, sir,
BC
is
and
equal
BC is
to
equal to CD, then AB is equal to CD, like that it will come here, sir. Sir? Sir, we can draw perpendicular from B, sir. Line PQ on point B, sir.
Okay. Now.
And same from point C also, sir.
You
Sir, angle
use
of
the.
incidence is angle.
Now tell me.
Angle of incidence is angle of reflection, sir. So angle ABC will be equal to angle BCD, sir.
Yes, go on, go on. How will you prove? Total working steps.
Sir, by angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, sir.
Okay, you tell in terms of the steps A, B.
Sir, angle ABC is equal to angle BCD by law of reflection.
Okay, that means angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. That is what
Reflection.
Chandru is mentioning.
Yes, sir. Then corresponding angles, converse of alternative integral angles formula, we can find that ray AB is parallel to ray CD. Sir, proved, therefore it is proved that ray AB is parallel to
Not satisfied, not satisfied. Your working steps are yet.
Sir, I am not finding what steps we should write here, sir.
Okay, now
You only tell, sir.
Yeah. Now, see, first we will go for drawing a perpendiculars. You are right. And let us go for labeling. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Angle 3, angle 4. Okay. And as you said, by the law of reflection, angle 1 equals to angle 2 and angle 3 equals to angle 4. Okay, reason you know, by the law of reflection, children. Correct. Up to there, see, that thought is correct. Now, we also know that here, this perpendicular which we have drawn, let's say BE, and this perpendicular CF. BE perpendicular to PQ, CF perpendicular to RS will become parallel to each other. Why? Because BE perpendicular to PQ, CF perpendicular to RS and PQ parallel to RS. This by construction, extra construction we did. This one by given. Therefore, two lines perpendicular to the same parallels will be parallel to each other. So, BE parallel to CF it becomes. If BE parallel to CF and let's say this is one portion and this is second one. If BE parallel to CF, then angle 2 must be equal to angle 2 equals to angle
4, sir.
angle 2 equals to angle 3. Correct now? Correct or not?
Yes,
Angle
sir.
2 equals to angle 3. Correct or not? By
Sir, alternate interior angle.
Interior angles,
alternate
sir.
interior angle theorem. Now, if I take double of them, can I take double of them?
Yes, sir.
2 times
Yes,
of
sir.
angle 2 equals to 2 times of angle 3. What is 2 times of angle 2? If angle 1
Sir,
equals to
angle
angle 2,
ABC.
ABC, sir.
Angle ABC.
Angle ABC. What is
Sir,
2 times
and
of angle 3?
BCD.
Angle BCDs.
Now, angle BCD has come. This is third portion has come. Thus, if angle ABC equals to angle BCD, where
Alternate interior angles theorem, sir. Then
yes,
AB and
BC
BC will
is transversal, drawn between two lines AB and CG, CD. Okay, having the angles ABC and angle BCD as what type of angles? Alternate
interior angles.
Interior angle, sir.
alternate interior angles.
Sir, according to theorem 6.4, sir,
Yes,
Ray
by
AB
converse
parallel to CD, sir.
of alternate interior angles
Interior
theorem,
angle, sir.
It's a theorem. Okay, theorem 6.4.
3, sir.
4, sir.
Converse it is, not alternate triangle theorem. It's converse of alternate triangle. So we get AB parallel to CD.
CD, sir.
So this idea is very important. This is a very important question, and this mirrors question, we say normal mirrors question. This idea is very important, and this logic of doing is very important. Okay. So with this, exercise 6.2 is over. And next class, what we are going to do will be, okay, next class, what we are going to do will be angle sum property of a triangle.
Triangle, sir.
And with that angle sum property of a triangle, this chapter gets over. Exercise 6.3 and this chapter gets over. I have 8 questions of MCQ in this chapter from the exemplar problems. I'll discuss them. Maybe in 2 periods, I'll complete this chapter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So with this, we'll stop today's class. Take care. Bye, children. Take care.
Thank
Jai
you,
Hind, sir.
sir.
Jai Hind.
Jai, sir.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you. Wish you the same, children.